Halo Mbak Diana.
Halo,
Yeah,
Mbak.
is it my voice clear because the electricity is was off. How about in
Okay,
your place, your home?
your voice is clear enough. In my place, it's the electricity is on.
Alhamdulillah.
Have a different condition.
Yeah. Uh, in this occasion, in this morning, I think we can discuss about our assignment, our test from Mr. Rifki about some picture, and we have to know about the context, about the meaning of the picture, and try to relate with the Al-Quran.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
may we
Maybe we
start?
can.
Yeah,
Yes, we can start now.
okay. I will share my screen based on our
Okay.
discussion last night, and we have to choose 5 of them and try to give a little bit caption about this picture. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay, can you see clearly?
Yes. Oh. Okay. We can see the picture. Yeah. There are 3 people in the
Okay,
top, and the
yeah,
2 is in the bottom.
yeah.
It
But
is
wait,
above.
we have to come forward to the first slide about the introduction.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, based on the article that Mr. Rifki has shared, it is talk about the linguistic symbol in the social context of the contemporary internet, which is exactly a language product in the digital media era. It is very hot news to be discussed, I think, and Mr. Rifki is very creative and initiative to give us the media object of the research related to is SFL, and the picture. It is very interesting. And the second one, the introductions about how does the picture language construct the meaning communications, mode of language symbols in the multimedia context such as internet. And the last one, systemic functional linguistic believes that language is composed of 3 levels. Oh, there, Mbak Diana, 3 levels. The first one about semantic layer, the lexical and grammatical layer, and the phonology or writing layer. Still, you remember the theory that we use in this subject from Holiday, ya? Uh, Mbak Diana still unmute.
Okay. But 3 level is
Yeah,
that you like you said before, the semantic layer, lexical and grammatical layer, and the sorry, the phonology or writing layer.
yeah,
The theory come from a Halliday systematic functional, yeah.
yeah, betul.
Okay.
Yes, that's true. Yeah, of course, the topic is about the language picture of or the function, the communication function of picture language. Now, I think this is your part to expose, to
Okay.
investigate this picture. I place you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the first picture is about there are 3 peoples in the top and in the bottom.
Yes.
In the top person said that this is cheap, and then second one said that this is too easy. Uh, Padahal, sorry, um,
Although,
although every person have a different effort when they
Try to achieve, yes,
try to achieve their
goals.
goals. Okay, goals, like right. So appreciate each other achievement is important. I
Mhm.
think because every person or people have a different way or
Process,
different
also the
process,
process.
yes, to achieve their goals.
Hmm.
Could you please show me read the ayat surah in
Yeah,
Al-Quran?
okay. I will try to connect the correlation with the Al-Quran. It is from Surah Al-Hujurat and from Surah Ar-Ra'd. For example, from Surah Al-Hujurat, the translation from Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu la yaskhar qaumin min qaumin asa ayyakunu khairan minhum. No people shall ridicule other people for they may better than they. Yet in bahasa, like, don't underestimate other people because maybe the other people is better than us. And the second one, it is about the effort or the process or the way how to change our successful. We can move on to the next slide. You may see the picture, Mbak Diana.
Yes.
May I try to give the captions about this picture?
Okay, with pleasure, please.
Okay, you may see in reality, actually the killer is this one who bring the knife. But in the media, it is the opposite between the reality.
Yes.
So it is about media. As a people, we have to know that the media should never be trusted 100%. We have to make sure, we have to avoid the hoax. Yeah. Could you please to relate with the Al-Quran or surah in the Al-Quran, please?
Okay, this I will read for you the surah in the Al-Quran. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Innalladzina ja'u bil ifki usbatum minkum la tahsabuhu syarrul lakum bal huwa khairul lakum likulli imri'in minhum maktasaba minal ismi walladzi tawalla kibrahu minhum lahu adabun adim. Okay, if I can explain the meaning of the surah, it's about the point is that we should not easy to believe the news. We should be more careful about a news. It will be better if we first filter it first, can give a response
Okay. Any other
like
comments?
that. I
Yeah,
think like that.
mm-mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very clear, yeah, Mbak Diana. I think
Yes.
let us turning our attention to the next slide, the third picture.
Okay, we can see this is about uh, the sun,
Yeah,
like
it is. We do the same
yes, we have uh, dulu dulu apa ya?
in the past.
In past different with now.
Hmm.
Now we are a parent, so sometimes we feel we need our time like when we are young before we have marriage, playing a handphone without this any people or someone disturbing us. But now we sometimes
Busy.
we forget that we have a
Yes.
son, so we give our children mainan,
Yeah,
and then we
the
play
toys.
our handphone. Yeah. So I think Padahal parents apa ya have peranan penting.
Yeah, have
What
an important role,
important roles
responsibility.
to our children, to apa ya in grow and apa ya if apa ya
In the children growth.
ya like gitu and pertumbuhan dan perkembangan our children,
the growth and
but
development.
good growth and development of our children, but parents often leave their children alone. Parents busy with their
And
gadget
scrolling the social media.
because that is our like me time when after we have marriage, I think so sometimes we forget that we have apa ya obligation to our children like that. Could you please give me apa ya surah in Al-Quran so we can addition so we can apa ya merubah change our apa ya ability to our children.
Yes, it is very close to our our real life, and sometimes
Yes.
I forgot about accompanying our children. In the Surah Al-Quran from At-Tahrim, verses 6, it is very clear that we have to keep our children, we have to educate our children, we have responsibility for our children, so the children can enter the heaven or avoiding the hell, menghindari masuk neraka. Next, about this picture, I think it is my part to give the caption first. It is also hot news and viral in all of the YouTube or the social media about giving charity, about exposing, how to say, helping other people, but it is public, on public, or have to show it. You may see this CCTV, and this is the people give the charity if it can be seen on the public. So giving charity actually in secret or publicly, we have to think critically about this. Could you please to relate with the Al-Quran, Mbak Diana?
Okay. I will read it for you in sorry, in Al-Baqarah, the 264. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu la tubtilu shadaqatikum bil manni wal adha kalladzi yunfiqu malahu ri'an nasi wa la yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhir. Famasaluhu kamasali sofwani alaihi turabung fa asobahu wabilung fatarakahu solda la yaqdiruna ala syai'im mimma kasabu wallahu la yahdil qaumal kafirin. This is I think when we give charity or apa ya sedekah to other, I think only us and Allah knows. Yeah. Like the term like right hand give, left hand doesn't know. I think like that. But in this era, some people like actor or actress give charity with both camera, so many people in around world knows that he or she give charity to others with state that they state that it's examples, give example to others so others can follow the rules to give a charity when when they get
Okay, yeah.
when they do the when
The
ketika
way.
mereka memiliki rezeki lebih.
Oh, earn
Jadi
more money maybe.
okay,
Having
I mean,
money.
yeah. They said that when they have more money, they should we should give to others. But the way they give to others itu, I mean, I think it's not
Hard. Inappropriate.
not not appropriate. I think.
Enough
Like that.
about this picture.
Yeah.
Okay, we
Okay.
may continue about this picture. Could you please to tell about the caption about this picture?
Okay, this is about many trees that apa ya, ditebang what apa ya, cut down.
Yes.
I think it's kill the environment in that place. They only think about the
On
they
business.
need their business without think the people around the environment. I think apa ya, it's sampai itu loh. The children imagine there are
there are some trees.
Yeah, there are some trees in there. What do you think about that, Mbak Naila?
Yeah, of course we have to save our earth for our next generations to make sure they can feel the nature, they can feel the rainforest, they can feel the trees, they can feel the fresh air. It is related to Surah Ar-Rum, Dhaharul Fasad fil Barri wal Bahri bima kasabat aydinas. Jadinya, of course, it is as a result, the destroyer of our land, our earth, it is because of the people, the human. Next, about the conclusion, could you please to read about the conclusion, Mbak Diana?
Okay, I will read the conclusion. This is I think a people language conversation has developed from face-to-face communication to communication in written from in the virtual context of the internet today. Okay, the picture language demonstrate that multimodal discourse can not only reflect the various events and processes that occur in the subject and object world, but also the status of the participant in the event and the relationship between them. Could you please give some addition about the conclusion, Mbak Naila?
I think no, because it is very clear from your statement, and this is the quote, the picture that I think it is relate to our activity now as a student of postgraduate program or the magister program. We have to explore, because exploration about SFL is a curiosity put into action. So keep reading and find out the interesting fact, the interesting point about SFL more. Keep reading.
Okay.
Yes, I think I have to stop share. But Diana, I have to make I have to make our children. I have to accompany my children because my husband went to the school or the office. Is it okay? I left the discussion.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Naila, for your explanation. I hope we can more better than before.
I mean,
okay, thank you, Mbak Naila.
yeah, to apa, Mbak? To what? To comprehend, to understand the materials.
To comprehend our activity. Thank you, Mbak Naila.
Yeah. Any other comment again, Mbak Diana?
I think no, Mbak Naila.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to say something, but I forgot about it. I will text you via WhatsApp. Is okay?
Okay, I will waiting it.
Yeah.
I will waiting for your WhatsApp.
See you,
We
Mbak
can
Diana.
See you.